while parked in front of the one magical ass house. Anyway, so I also got a new tarot deck. This is African American Tarot. And of course, we got the goddess on the front. I don't know if this is the front or the back because there's a god on the back part. Interesting enough, I'm gonna just say it like this. Like, look at the creators of it. Look at their names. We got Jamal R. and Thomas Davis. I just find that to be ironic. But I just got these from the spiritual shop. This is all I wanted to say. Like, bro, they did not want me to tell y'all what I got. Okay, hold on. Unboxing. Oh, I need to go back to doing my unboxing videos because those are a vibe. Okay, but anyway, let's go. And so, that's interesting. That's interesting. These are made in Italy. Okay. It's 78 cards. Look at him! Look at him! Man. Okay, so now I'm gonna open the actual cards up. Welcome down. Make sure daddy don't get up. Call a reverend and his mama. Make sure. Call him, tell him, pick him up. I'ma smack you with this 40. Ask me if my glizzy took. Okay. I've been just saying that all day. It's just been a vibe. Mom. Oh, Rainicorns! How I get to this card first? How I get to the Rainicorn card first, nigga? How I cut the deck to the Rainicorn card, nigga? And you already know what the fuck the vibes is! Oh! Yo! How I cut the deck to the Rainicorn card? Nigga! Folks better stop playing. We ain't nothing to play with, nigga. We ain't nothing to play with, fool. We ain't nothing to play with, cuz. We ain't nothing to play with, my guy. Ain't nothing to play with. Look at these. Ooh, nigga. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, that's so. Yo. Man, the decks I was looking at, right? I was looking at this Alice in Wonderland deck. I really like it. It's really cute. And I was also looking at this unicorn deck. Really cute. I didn't get to see all the cards, but I had seen the other cards before. Bro. Ooh! Ooh! Look at her! Look! They done fucked up. They done fucked up. They done fucked up, man. They done fucked all the way up. All right, hold on. Jay, I see you over there being slick in the comments. I'm gonna get to your ass in a minute, man. Look at this. This is so beautiful. It's the Most High watching over our unions, nigga. It's the Most High watching over our divine unions, my nigga. Yo, it's 15 likes and 15 viewers in this beach. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm so excited. Yo, this deck is a mess. Ah, it's me. Ah, it's me. Look at it. Ah! y'all didn't know, I'm a Capricorn, which is the motherfucking goat, you know what I'm saying? And my Chinese zodiac is the ox. They done fucked up. Damn! Look at this nigga eyes! Look at this nigga eyes! He got a lion. And look at his eyes, bro. Y'all can see that clear. Man, this made me so excited. It's Kayla Jennings. What's up, goddess? All the rainicorns in the building. Oh, man, this is some beautiful stuff. You Capricorn too? Yes, Capricorns in the building. Capricorn unicorns in the building. Capricorn rainicorns in the building. Y'all already know. It's the birds for confirmation. Tweet, tweet, motherfucker. Yeah. This is great. Ooh, they rising from the dead, my guy. Damn. They coming out their graves on some shit. Damn. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Ooh, I don't even know what to make of this one right here. I don't even know what to make of this one. Make sure daddy don't get up. Call a reverend and his mama, tell him come and pick him up. I'ma smack you with this father. He asked me in my glizzy tuck. Look at this. As soon as I showed y'all that, it was 22 minutes and 33 seconds. Yo. And your babies is protected. Your babies is protected. Ain't nobody here except for the spirits, bruh. Ain't nobody here except the spirits. Your babies is protected. Always know that. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Man, this dude look like Martin Luther King. Why that man look like Martin Luther King? And then I just shared a video earlier today. It's an older video. Go check the community tab, y'all. And then I was talking about Martin Luther King a little bit and who he was for our people. Oh, that's some sexy stuff. Look. The guy's doing that sexy stuff. Ow! Ooh! Yeah! You better work, God! You better work! Look at him! Look at him! Getting that work in. Yes. 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 Absolutely. I don't know what's going on here, but something told me to show y'all. Kayla, I appreciate you as well. I love your energy too. You're giving it straight to me through these comments. You don't even know. I love the goddesses, bro. Not to say I don't love the guys. Y'all know I love y'all. However, we need more goddess support. Do y'all know I got 80% guides, dudes on my channel, and like 20% females, bro? I love y'all. I need some more females over here, though. We need some more females. So Rainicorn ladies, y'all please. I know we be lonely sometimes, but like share your stuff on your social media. There's some other females that know y'all. Just bring the ladies over here. Just bring some more ladies. We need at least 50. Come on, let's get the Rainicorns to 50-50 so there's not mostly dudes over here, bro. Ooh, okay. Look at him. Look at him. Ooh. Yes. You better walk. You better work. These are some... Oh, my. Folks ain't ready. Folks ain't ready for us to come out like this, nigga. Okay, Indigo, got your wife in here? Yeah, peace to the goddess. Yes. It's 18 viewers and 18 likes. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just having a great day. Y'all know how I do. And like folks really like okay. I'm a terrasfi. Okay. You know my routine. You know that's my hold up. Is this a female or a dude? I can't tell if the one in the chair is a female or a dude, but it's a pregnant lady down here. I don't know how I feel about this one. This is the only one that gives me questionable vibes. It's like one or two things going on here. Like the thing is I can't tell if that's a female or like a dude. Like I can't tell what this is. The way that the earrings and the headdress and the body is, I can't tell if that's a female or a nigga. Because like if it's a dude, that could be one of his concubines or something. And she like, you know, ask her because she's pregnant, so. But if it's a female, I don't even know what I would make of this situation, the way they sit here and she just got the knife in her face like that. I don't know how I feel about that one. But anyway, it looks like a wicked little king. But hey, I'm so excited, y'all. I got my new deck and it's us. Like, it's us in the deck. Like, I have seen these people in real life time. On some real shit. And then it's me in here too. So I'm super excited. I haven't been doing like tarot a lot, especially on my channel. Y'all know we did do a couple of reads for the rest of this year and the beginning of 2023, right? And so with that being said, I got a new deck. So I'm going to be, of course, I use my tarot for myself to see what's going on in my own life. However, I do know how important. Oh! 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 Yeah! Oh my goodness. Ascension symptoms. That's another reason I've been making that many videos lately. My shit been bad. Like, my intuition has gone to another. It's 21 viewers and 21 likes. Can I get an Ashe in the building? But yeah, y'all, we getting these intuitive downloads, my nigga. We getting these intuitive downloads. So we gonna be getting back into our mass meditation.